Okay.
So, welcome. So, today is the 23rd July 2021. And we are here together to have fun. We are here together to know what Access is. What I am so excited to tell everybody what it is because it has changed my life completely. Now, there is somebody I'm meeting after 7 years here on the call, and I would like to ask her, do you see any change in me?
No, auntie, you're just
Have
the same.
I grown older after 7 years?
No, you're just the same. From,
Same?
I think,
Have I gone younger?
when I was in college going, that was 82 or 3. Till this 221, you're just the same.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Wow, that's a compliment. Wow. I
That's
totally
really a
endorse
compliment.
this.
So there
Kamal.
is another one who's here who knows me from last 20 years or maybe less or
Yes,
more.
yes,
And
yes.
so what does she have to say about it?
Really remarkable. Remarkable.
Is there a change in these 10 years that you are now seeing?
I can see a lot of glow in you. I can see a lot of grace in you. So which is attraction for me. So that is why I'm here.
Auntie,
Yes.
you're full of life.
I am full of
If we
life
have
and
to
I was
describe
always
Basul
full of
auntie,
life. Now it's added,
auntie is full of life.
exponentialized. It is exponentialized mega fold.
This enthusiasm you always had.
I always have.
Even
Yes.
when you were, that was in 81, 82, I'm talking, Greater Kailash days.
Yeah.
You know? So
I always had, and most of it I was showing off. There was a lot going inside. If you are an energetic perceiver, you would know there was a lot going on inside.
yes.
Did you get the energy of I was putting on? Some of it. And now
No,
it's not putting on. It's genuine that
it is genuine. But whatever, auntie, you always motivated others, and you were such a happy person. And looking at you was always so good. Even now.
Thank you. I am willing
Even
to receive it now.
even interacting with you. Auntie, Basoor auntie means घर में खुशी आ गई. जब आंटी आ गई घर में, तो घर का माहौल बदल गया.
क्या
है ना?
बात.
तो we always look forward to कि आंटी आएंगी, बसूर आंटी, तो सब हंसेंगे, मिलके बैठेंगे, और एकदम जो पहले अगर कोई उदास भी है तो वो भी खुश हो जाएगा और मूड चेंज हो जाएगा सबका. So that's how I describe auntie.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, Access. What is Access all about? Who all are here who all are here from Access?
I think
None of you know
me.
what?
Yes, me.
Okay. So, what do you have to say, Himanshi?
Hello, Kamal ma'am.
Hi, darling. You have to show your face
How
when
are
you talk.
you?
We have a rule. Kamal has a rule.
I'll
in
do
her,
that. I'll do
in
that.
her classes, people have to show their
I'll
face.
do that in a while. I'll do that in a while.
Then you ask a question
do
in
that,
a while.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll allow you.
I'll just do.
Okay, I'll allow you. Come on. Tell me.
Yeah.
What is Access?
Access came into my life. Access consciousness, like, it came into my life last year through the times of COVID, and it was such a blessing. Like, I cannot say how my life has changed after just following the tools. Like, I used to follow the tools before doing the bars and all, like just by listening to others, like, okay, but just by following the tools, it changed so much in my lifestyle. So I was just wondering, if I do the bars, what else would like change? Like, and after I got the bars and after the foundation, life seemed so easy. Like, I was taking it like to be such a hard life, tough times, like nahi ho paega, ye nahi. But Now this nahi ho payega is totally deleted, and it's like creating every moment and having gratitude every moment. So basically being happy every moment, like, you know, so, and happiness is there, so sab kuch hai, like, you know, it's like so much contributing.
So you mean to
So-
say you made the impossible possible?
Exactly. Yes. Everything is possible now. That's my words. Everything is possible. Yeah.
And is happiness a choice, or you things got better and you got happy?
Happiness is in our hands. We like, it's a choice, of course. Like, you know, we can stay to be happy. We can stay to bemoan ourselves. We can stay to be unhappy. But no, why not we stay happy all the time? Why not?
Cool,
Yes.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anybody
Thank
else?
you for the inspiration. Thank you.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. And anybody else who has done Access and wants to say something about it? What is Access for you? Nobody else. Come on, Raji, Ekta, Geeta, Renu.
I just joined because you will tell to come on video. No, I'm not in a position to come. So I didn't reply.
How controlling can I be? People won't show their faces. They want to hide. If you want to hide, you hide in the world, darling. You will not show up.
No, in 5 minutes. Five
You
minutes
are
I'll come.
where you are, no matter what.
I'm in kitchen. Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. I'll come.
Right. Take your time. So for me, Access, I was told in the beginning when I attended a class, it said Access is a set of tools and regulations. It's a set of, we will give you some tools and you will change your life. It wasn't very exciting. All my life, I thought I had all the tools. All my life, I thought I can change the world. I can do whatever I want to. But after coming to Access and now every time growing in it and choosing what I want to after 10 years, it seems like it's a set of possibilities I get to choose from. Not tools and techniques, it is, but it's a set of possibilities that I get to choose from. Accessness is empowered me. Is empowered me to know that I do not need anybody. I do not require anybody. I can just be me. Empowered me to know that I know. And when if I function from my own knowing, I know what works for me. Listening to others never, okay, I won't say never, that'll be too strong a word. But it never worked the way I would have liked my life to work for me. So it is like every moment, what next? What next? What next move that would create more for me, beyond for me? What magic, miracle, possibility can I now create?
Right.
You know, things became possible, things became easy. It empowered me to the extent I can't even explain to you. If you can get it energetically, good, well and good. Otherwise, you have to be that to recognize it. Right? So come out with your questions. No
Auntie,
questions? Yes.
I have question. Like I had a very, very busy life. I would go in the morning at 7 o'clock, come back in the evening. For 36 years, I did that. आपको पता है ना? Now, after my retirement, I feel I have nothing to do. मैं क्या करूं? और उससे मेरा पूरा मूड डिप हो जाता है. जैसे सुबह ही मेरा, like in the morning only, after breakfast, I feel now what? Nothing to do. So I lose all my energy. I lose all my enthusiasm.
So actually, I'll ask you a question. Truth, you have nothing to do?
No, nothing. I read, I attend webinars,
So when you were working from 7 to whatever time the whole day,
5.
did you have some desires that I will do this when I'm
Yes,
what are those? What makes
my
you not choose them those now?
I always like interior decoration. So I thought once I'll retire, I'll become an interior designer.
So what's stopping
So
you now?
what is stopping me? I think I shared it with you that I have developed pain in my knee, and because of that, my movement is so restricted that I cannot even move around comfortably in the house.
So
I have to.
have you created that not to choose?
No, no. It is just a limitation. I don't know why. Like I
We create limitations. So what is it making you create this? So that you can't be you, so that you can't choose more? Is it light?
maybe because it is first. It is not. It was never my field. I was in education, and I don't want to do anything with education now. The kind of things which are happening in schools, I have done it for 36 years. So I don't want to do it anymore. I want to do something which I enjoy, which I really get, where I can be creative and I get a satisfaction that, well, I have done this. But I don't have any qualification for that. I
So
have no contacts in that field.
but is the but you sit on. For an
Okay, then
infinite
what to
being, there
do?
is no but.
Then what to do?
Ask what to do. What will be fun for me? What can I choose now that will give me joy? Every morning, get up in the morning and choose something that will give you joy.
That gives me joy. So I want to do some. I am already doing some very nice paintings, deco patch. I'm doing that gives me a lot of joy. काफी सारे मैंने करके रखे हैं. That's okay. But जैसे
But
बट नहीं लगाना. ओके कुछ जैसे अब मैं एक तो मेरे को बिल्कुल घर में बैठ के लगता है कि आई एम वेस्टिंग माय टाइम. मुझे मेरे पास कहीं कुछ ऐसा ऑक्यूपेशन होना चाहिए कि मैं जाऊं, कुछ काम करूं, कुछ दिखे. अब इंटीरियर डेकोरेटर बनना है, उसके लिए क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए. मेरा कभी भी फील्ड नहीं था. और ना मतलब यही मेरी एक लिमिटेशन हो सकती है कि या तो
okay,
मैं
these are all okay. I'll stop you. These are all Poonam. Please, could you mute yourself? Because if all of you, please mute yourself, because the recording won't be nice then for you to hear. Okay, thank you. Acha. So, Sangeeta, you know, nobody else does. What is required for you to do, be, choose, create in every now moment. If you are being Sangeeta, you would know. What are you being? You want to be what I'm getting, maybe wrong, to you use the word also. This is not for, are you choosing to do something that will recognize, that you will be
no
recognized, you will be validated? Are
no
you willing
something
to
which is
validate
creative,
you?
something which is creative, and I feel good about it. I feel get a satisfaction. I've done this.
So when you do whatever you do, you don't need legs for that, do you? You can sit on your bed and your chair and do it. What makes you not choose that? What makes you choose to be lame? It's a choice we make. Every life is a choice. Life is, मैंने कल एक गाना सुन रही थी, I'll put it in this. Life is in your hands. You are the one who's creating it. You created where you are now, and you can create whatever you desire to create. Everything else is a limitation. And how do we choose? We choose from the lightness. This is one tool I will give you today. From the lightness of knowing and creating your life the way you would have, you like, rather than what's right, wrong, good, bad, correct, proper. Can you be weird? Are you willing to people to judge you? Have you been choosing according to others? Has it worked? You wouldn't be here if that had worked. So I will say one line, your point of view creates your reality. What is your point of view? Choice. I want to do something creative. Painting came. Pick up the things and paint. Next moment, choose something different that your body wants to, that your being wants to, that you have been dreaming all your life. I have people say, we don't have anything to do. We are stuck at home and pandemic and this COVID, we can't do anything. Aren't we the ones who created it? And all of us who've been wanting to sit at home and do things, come on, do them now. Would that create a different reality, not only for you, but for the planet? Okay, guys, one more thing I want to tell you. Access consciousness or Kamal has no answers. You do. You do. We just provide simple tools like choose what is light, choose what is fun. And when you give you tools, if you so desire to use them, will allow you to access your knowing. Access your knowing about what you would like to create in your life. Would that be more powerful and fun to play with? Choice is just a choice. It's not one choice. Life doesn't start with one choice. I am having that. But that is the choice. I am having the life of ease, joy, glory. I want to be creative. That is the choice. That's called choice right there. I'm having that. Dear universe, dear consciousness, please make it as easy as possible. But when you're sitting that you want to be creative and your head is going to, how can I be? I got limitation, I can't walk, my legs are paining. Tathastu. That is what you're creating. Complaints and cribbing. And when you are choosing something, when you are making that choice and being that, choosing that, doing that, having that, creating that, other people around you have that choice too. It becomes available to them too. Oh, Sangeeta can do it. Kamal can do it. What makes me not choose it? Even if they don't cognitively think like that. When you look at somebody doing something, you have now have it available for you too. It's your choice. You want to choose it or not. You have a choice to choose it, or you have a choice to say, वो कर सकती है, मैं नहीं कर सकती, मुझे कहाँ होगा, मेरा तो पैर, मेरा तो वो. Yes, you can't, she can. What choices are you making? You being the space is making available in their world, in everybody's world. That's how crucial you are to the possibilities of the world. This is the way universe works. We are all energetic creatures. You energetically pick up even when you cognitively don't know. You energetically pick up. Like you just said, that when, even when you're feeling low, Kamal auntie will come and change it. By just her being there. Can you be that for yourself and for others? It's just a choice. But we rather choose to complain. We rather choose to make things wrong. We rather choose illness. Illness is also a choice. You did not choose this all your time you were working. What made you choose now when you're retired? Did you say मैं आराम करूंगी?
Never.
You're laughing.
I also wanted to travel. I thought once I retire, I'll travel more. I've already traveled. काफी जगह घूमा था, but I thought after retirement I'll travel.
So ask yourself, don't go into judgment. Ask yourself, what is making me choose this? And the next day you will be out of the pain. I asked you to run a process. Did you do that? Yes, Sapna.
So, Kamal, suppose
You're cutting off, darling.
actually I'm traveling now. So, okay.
Go ahead, speak loudly, maybe. Can't hear you. Can you write the question? Anybody else? She is writing the question. One of the Access Consciousness target is to empower you to know that you know. Knowing that what you know will move you past doubt, beyond fear, into the space where you begin to trust you. I know it like I know it. You always know it. But you go into doubt. You go into fear. You go into the space of not trusting you. Once you start acknowledging that, you will pass all that. What would that create a different reality for you? So she's written something. Let's see what she's written. Where there is pain in any part of the body, what do I tell this pain? Pain is not pain. It is an intensity that we lock. It is some intensity that we choose and we put it, we lock it in our bodies. So that is the way body talks to you. You never listen to your body. It gives you a whisper. It gives you a nudge. When you still don't listen, it will bring pain for you, intensity for you to listen to. So don't make it real. Just ask, what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it?
पूछ उसको आराम से पूछ क्यों ऐसा कर रहा है ऐसा किससे थोड़ी डर के बैठ
Mamta, can you Mamta please mute yourself, darling? All of us are highly energetically aware. All of us. Any one of you is not less. And nobody ever told us. I'm telling you today, all of you here are highly energetically aware. You have to cut off your awareness to make it pain. What if it wasn't pain? It was the intensity. The body was talking to you. Okay, body, आप सुनते हो क्या उसकी? आप इग्नोर करते रहते हो उसको. वो it's your obedient friend, your loving friend, your caring friend. But we ignore it. We never listen to it. Start listening to your body. Start being in communion with your body. All this you will learn in Access. And much, much, much more. And our first class is bars. Kindergarten into Access Consciousness. It's one of the core classes. We first empty your head for you to receive more. Because there is so much of traffic jam here that there is no space for more to come in. For trillions of years, we have put stuff in our head, which now governs us, controls us. Like I was saying, Access bar is that it takes your brain from, oh yeah, oh no, to, oh yeah. I can't do this like Himanshi shared. Just been here for just a year old in Access. She says now it's like, yeah, not like, oh, I can't do it. It I'd say reduces to start with, because then you'll catch me. You said it'll go away. The mental chatter finishes. You become an walkie-talkie meditation. Do you know that feeling when you lie at night on the head and the brain starts trying to hold a disco in your head? Or that inability to feel completely relaxed without an ounce of any tension? It takes that away. We hit a delete button. When you get your bars run, you delete, you press a delete, hit a delete button on your brain hard drive. Immediately you have space. Immediately now you can choose what you would like to choose. And everything you learn in bars is applicable to your life in every area, no matter what. People ask me, will it help here with my relationship? Will it help in my body health? Everything. If you did nothing but bars on someone or on you, in the long run, you would become aware, present, conscious. Conclusions, decisions, judgments won't have any place in your world. These classes exponentialize the speed with which change occurs. I did lots of modalities, but there was a very slow change. In the beginning, there was like, oh my God, lots of change, and then it stagnated. And the change will occur anyway if the bars are done. You get your bars regularly done. You don't even have to do it every day. It's not like when you walk or you do yoga every day, or you do aerobics, or you starve your food and you do all those things and then it will affect. It's like magic. Fast track into possibilities. If you get to do somebody's bars, you have created a computer virus that eventually will destroy it and destroy the computer bank called your mind. So keep running your bars. It's like throwing the kachra out from your kitchen every day. We have 32 points on our head. When gently touched, effortlessly and easily, it releases anything that doesn't allow you to receive. What do the points contain? Your thoughts, your feelings, your ideas, your belief systems, your emotions, your considerations. You have all stored from lifetime after lifetime in your head. This is the opportunity for you to let them go. Each bar session can release 5 to 10,000 of your year, or 10,000 years of limitation in any area that you are corresponding to, that you are touching, that you want to let go of. It is an incredible, nurturing and relaxing experience. You get your bars run, it's like you've got a best massage from 7-star person. It undoes limitations in all aspects of your life. I could never even dream that I'm lying down and somebody is deleting my files. And when I get up, I'm feeling like, my God, I can just change my world right away. It's like that. And how much of our life do we spend not receiving? Anybody here who has done bars will also join me in telling you the experience they've had from bars.
May I please?
Yes, please.
Hi. Hello.
Hi,
लॉन्ग टाइम बाद आपको आईलाइनर के साथ देख रही हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thank you.
लाइक कोविड के टाइम में मुझे ये मिला था, बार्स सीखने को मिला था. मैंने ऑनलाइन सीखा था एंड काफी हेल्थ इश्यू थे, बहुत सीरियस हेल्थ इश्यू थे एंड उस वक्त ऐसा कंडीशन था कि बस अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ऑल ऑफ सडन कैसे उसमें आया एंड जो पहला क्वेश्चन आई वाज गिवन, हु डज इट बिलोंग टू. मुझे बहुत किडनी का इश्यू था, हार्ट का इश्यू था, बीपी का था, ये वो बहुत ऑल ऑफ सडन एंड मैंने फोन किया, एक जन को फोन किया फॉर हेल्प एंड उन्होंने मुझे ये बोला. और जब ये पहला क्वेश्चन दिया ना, जब मैं रात को बिल्कुल नहीं सो पाती थी, और उन्होंने क्या मैजिक हुआ और मैं थोड़ी देर बाद सो पाई. डेफिनेटली उन्होंने भी कंट्रीब्यूशन किया होगा और उसके बाद मैंने ये सीखा. फिर बहुत सारे क्लासेस किए एंड जो मैं आज जो मेजर फर्क देखती हूँ कि पहले जब बार्स कॉन्शियसनेस के पहले, बार्स के पहले जो मैं थी ना, और मुझे लगता था अब तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता, तो वो चीज अब नहीं है. चीजें आती है लाइफ में, चीजें आती हैं, लेकिन अब मैं जो तरीके से हैंडल कर सकती हूँ वो पहले से बेहतर है और बहुत बेहतर है. मैं ज्यादा टूल्स यूज नहीं कर पाई, इसलिए शायद मेरे को और ज्यादा अच्छा हो जाता, लेकिन रियली कुछ तो भी है. वर्ड्स में नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि सिर्फ फिंगर्स टच करो या आप कुछ वो रीड करो और कुछ नहीं, तो खाली सुनो, काम करते करते भी सुनो. ये क्या मैजिक है. हम बोलते हैं बाबास वगैरह में या फिर वो बांध के रखो हाथ में, यहाँ तो ये कुछ भी नहीं है ना, कुछ भी नहीं है. एंड जब फिर मैंने बार्स लोगों को गिफ्ट दिया था ना, तो मैंने उस वक्त भी चेंजेस देखा कि जो एकदम मतलब बहुत ऐसे है ना, जो बहुत जिद्दी टाइप के हैं कि ऐसा तो कुछ चेंज ही नहीं हो सकता, और उनमें से कुछ ऐसे हैं जिनको मैं बहुत पसंद करती हूँ. क्या पता क्या मैजिक से मैं इधर बैठी हूँ, मैं वो उधर है, मैं खाली ऐसे उसको बोलती थी फोन में कि प्लीज अनुपमा एक बार आओ ना, तो पता नहीं कैसे वो मैंने उसकी मदर इन लॉ को किया, उसको जब किया ना, उसको पता नहीं क्या चेंजेस है, वो मेरे साथ 21 डेज मेरे से बर्स किया, इतनी चेंजेस आई ना, इतनी चेंजेस। और सबसे पहला तो हम सचमुच बिना कुछ पहने, बिना कुछ खाए, बिना इधर उधर भागे, बहुत शांति से सोच सकते हैं कि हम ये कर सकते हैं, ये सही है। और कई बार इंडियन अपब्रिंगिंग ऐसी होती है जहाँ हमें फैमिली के लिए बहुत ज्यादा सोचना पड़ता है, और अगर नहीं सोचे ना तो कुछ कहीं ना कहीं से तो गिल्ट कॉन्शियस आता ही है, कितना भी दूर करो। और वो चीजें कम हो गई, हम उनके साथ भी अच्छा कर सकते हैं, और पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ एकदम दिल में ट्रूथ बोलना नहीं पड़ता है। एंड इसके बाद मैंने फिर और भी बहुत सारे कोर्सेज किए, शामनिज्म, रेकी, ये वो, एंड पता नहीं अपने आप चीजें ऐसी गई। एक वक्त ऐसा था ना कि जब लोग कहते थे, मेरे अपने ही कहते थे कि सब तुम्हारे साथ ही होता है क्या। और मैं अपनी फैमिली को बहुत प्यार करती हूँ, मैं फैमिली के बिना रह ही नहीं सकती, लेकिन किसी ने, पर आज ऐसे है ना। और आपको मैं बताऊं, 2 दिन पहले किसी ने मुझे 1 लाख रुपीस का वो ऑफर किया, दो मैंने उसको टर्न कर दिया कि नहीं मैं भी नहीं करूंगी, आई हैव सम पर्सनल इश्यूज। वो लेडी ने मुझे वही सब चीज कहा कि आई वांट टू चेंज दिस, जो मेरे लाइफ में थी। दोपहर में उसने बोला और शाम को मैंने ये किया। एट 17 मैंने सोची शाम को कि ये कैसे हुआ, ये कैसे वो मांग रही है, ये एग्जैक्टली जबकि मैं टूल्स ज्यादा यूज नहीं करती हूँ, करना चाहिए, अगर मैं करती तो कितना चेंजेस होता। उसने मुझे ये रियलाइज करा कि मैं ये चीज ठीक कर सकती हूँ, ये चीज मैं ठीक कर सकती हूँ अपने लिए भी और औरों के लिए भी। और मैं हमेशा ऐसे ही चाहती थी कि मैं ऐसे रहूं ना, मैं अपना भी बहुत अच्छा करूं और दूसरे को भी बहुत अच्छा करूं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत हैप्पीनेस देता है। तो मैंने ये सीखा, एक्नॉलेजमेंट सीखा, और ये चीजों से मुझे जो कॉन्फिडेंस आया, तो मैं वैलिडेशन के लिए नहीं रुकती हूँ किसी के लिए। काफी चेंजेस है जो हम एक्चुअली वर्ड्स में नहीं बोल सकते। ये सिर्फ है ना ऐसे करके जो एक महसूस होता है ना, ये एक वो चीज है रियली। और एक ही साल हुआ है मुझे, 17 जून को 1 साल कंप्लीट हुआ रियली।
Yamini, thank you so
होता है।
much. You're a darling. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच।
Yes, I really relate with that. It was like me. I just went for one class. This lady had come from Malaysia. She was doing 7 days, different classes. I just went for one. I didn't have the money. The money was, for me, it was, oh my God, itna paisa main apne upar nahi spend kar sakti. And I went for this anyway. For one class I went because my sister went and she said she had done it earlier. Then she said, kar le. She didn't say I can explain anything, but I think kar lena chahiye. And I just went for that. After that, I had to borrow money.
Okay.
I had to borrow money to do all the other classes, foundation, money is not a problem, you are, and face lift. I did all those 7 days she was here. I did all the 7 classes. I borrowed money to do it. I didn't know how I'm going to pay it. I didn't have a penny on me. And after that, there was no looking back. No looking back. The money that I create now is magic. I just ask for it and it's there. It changed my life completely. I learned this technique. I'm so very grateful. I can do it for my family, for my friends. I became a certified practitioner by one class, by one bars class, and I started earning money.
Wow, what is it?
750, one session for 750. And then I had to stop people. I had to tell them, listen, I don't have time. I would, ye hafta mera booked hai, uske baad I will take your time. I just kept saying, how does it get any better than this? What else is possible? I was in gratitude and I just kept doing that and things kept changing. I opened up to greater awareness, receiving joy, space, money, relationship, and loads more. Like you
Wow.
said,
या इसमें और भी चीजें ऐसी हो जाती है ना कि लास्ट पहले मैं फोटो में मैं आती नहीं थी, मुझे स्क्रीन में आना, क्योंकि पहले मैं बहुत सुंदर थी और कब मैं अजीब सी हो गई मुझे भी नहीं पता चला। एंड अब मैं आराम से आ सकती हूँ, इवन मुझे आंख में चोट लगा फिर भी मैं आ सकती हूँ। मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है, मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है कि मैं सब कुछ फेस कर सकती हूँ।
thank you.
And thank you so much for your advices and your nurturing smile, everything.
Thank you. You're darling yourself, darling.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, anybody else who's done Access and wants to say something, has changed their life or hasn't changed their life? I'm willing to listen to that too. Anybody wants to give, have grudges against Access? Grudges against Access consciousness, or nothing has changed? Please share. Nobody? Fiza?
Kamal.
Yes, yes, Sapna.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead.
कमल, if you remember, मैंने आपसे एक बार बार क्लास की थी, बहुत आई थिंक लॉन्ग ईयर, बड़े साल हो गए।
सेशन किया था,
whether you remember or not, जब आप सेक्टर 8 में होते थे।
सेशन किया था।
सेशन
In the beginning, I had free sessions to people.
Yeah, हाँ,
Just to tell them
तो
what
उस
it
दिन
is.
जब भी तो इतने साल पहले,
10 साल पहले,
तो आई डोंट नो, उसके बाद भी मुझे कुछ मतलब आई डेंट पेन में फर्क नहीं हुआ आफ्टर दैट।
तो एक
जस्ट वांट टू टॉक।
हाँ, नहीं, thank you for saying that, because we have expectations. We have, even when you take a medicine, your point of view creates your reality. I will say it again. If you come with apprehensions, if you come with lots of points of views, that's what you will create. So what point of view did you come with? देखते हैं क्या है, होगा कैसे एक बार में. If you have those points of views, not from a childlike, oh, Kamal is doing something, let's go and see what it is. From wonderment and curiosity. If you come from there, the magic can show up. But I see myself, when we go into do something new, we have so many belief systems, limitations, point of views, and that's what we create. How often do you have one tablet and you feel okay? One bar session and you feel okay or not okay? You can't judge things like that. But thank you for sharing it.
मैम, मैं यहाँ पर एक बात बोलूं?
हाँ जी, बोलो।
मैंने ना, अगर सब कुछ होना साथ में, लाइक आपके पास सब कुछ है, पेन है, जो भी चीज है, लेकिन उसके साथ अगर आप एक डिजायर रखते हो कि मुझे ये नहीं, मुझे ठीक होना है, मुझे अच्छा होना है, मुझे अच्छा चाहिए, तो भी काम हो जाता है। क्योंकि मेरा वो एक रात में हुआ, तब मैंने बार्स नहीं लिए थे, और यह बहुत छोटा शहर है वापी। अगर हमारा डिजायर भी होता है ना, तो भी काम बनता है। मेरे सारी क्लासेस में डिजायर, मैंने आपको एक वो कविता जैन की ग्रुप है डेली कॉन्सियसनेस में, आपका सिर्फ एक बार सुना था और मुझे आपके आईलाइनर इतने अच्छे लगे थे कि मैंने उस वक्त सोचा था। हाँ, फिर मैंने क्या, ये एक साथ में ये था कि मैं कहाँ आप लोगों से बात कर पाऊंगी, कहाँ इतने बड़े ग्रुप में, कहाँ इतना चीज में देख पाऊंगी, और मुझे ये सब कंप्यूटर वगैरह, मोबाइल वगैरह में आता भी नहीं था, पता नहीं कब ऐसे हो गया। लेकिन मैंने वो चीज रखा ना, और उसके बाद देखो मैं आपसे थोड़े समय बाद मैं मिल पाई। वो एक टाइम लगा, लेकिन मैंने कुछ ऐसा किया नहीं, मेरा बस वो एक डिजायर था, तो मैं आपसे मिल पाई, इतना कुछ कर पाई। हमारा डिजायर होना बहुत जरूरी है। सब इमोशन रखो, पर डिजायर तो रखो ही रखो।
So Thank
नहीं
you for
क्या?
saying that.
मैं
अब
ठीक हूँ ना?
Sometime 1 minute. Sometime one person has one goalie और वो उससे ठीक हो जाता है. And have you heard of placebo effect? Have you all heard of placebo effect? That you
Yes,
take
yes.
sugar and people get okay? It's exactly the same thing. If you have a point of view about medicine, about anything else, it will take longer for you to get to what you want. But if you are like, oh my God, ये तो गर्ली खाने से मैं ठीक हो ही जाऊंगी. Like Vani said, if ये तो मुझे करना ही है. Like in the beginning, I said choice. I'm having it no matter what. Then it works like magic. But if you go into your head and you want to result and you want to go for all those limitations and belief system, hold it from coming that fast. There are so many here who did bars session once and then did bars class after 2 years, and then after 8-10 years, there's one person here who did all the classes with me when I did 7 classes with her. But for years, she did not choose it. And now she chose it, and every day she's talking about in our book class, she's talking about what change brought her, change she has created in her life. It's your choice. When you choose it, you create it. It's not something else will do something to you. It is you choosing it for you will create change for you. Access doesn't do anything. It just gifts you the tools, you use the tools, and you change the world. You change your world. So,
Kawal, can I say something?
yes, please, go ahead.
Bars के बाद मेरे को अभी 3-4 years तो हो गया है, but my anxiety level has gone down. Otherwise, I used to get excited and anxiety for so many things, and not allow myself to go beyond that. But उससे बहुत cool आया है. I've done my foundation twice, a global foundation. More has helped me book club. I don't know. That's my point of view, which I'm doing with you.
I ditto you, Mamta.
Yes,
I'm
Renu,
still
yes,
there.
yeah.
I'm still there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that has changed me. आप लोगों ने तो फाउंडेशन नहीं किया, हमने तो 2 बार कर लिए हैं. Bars, facelift, and that all I have done. But still, that book club and वो बातें याद आती है, tools याद है, because book club is also that only, ना? Access ही आ गया पूरा उसमें. So
Book club is with
I
Kamal.
feel.
Yes. Day to day.
Yes, I said that with you.
मेरे को recaps मिलते हैं सब चीजों के.
हाँ.
It's like
That is-
meeting you every day.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So many things.
Kamal, thank you. And
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay,
Deepa.
bye,
Thank
Kamal.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I'm
Sapna.
leaving now. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie.
Okay, we have a class tomorrow, guys. We have a bars class tomorrow.
Ma'am?
If anybody wants 1 minute, Raji, I'll come back to you. We have a bars class tomorrow at 10 o'clock. It is online as well as person people are coming over. So if you would want to, please let me know. Yes, Raji, go ahead.
No, she was saying about some book club. No,
I
I want
have
to
a
know.
book club. I have a book club
which-
from last nearly 2 years. We do books. We're doing 28th book together.
Oh, okay.
So
Which particular book changed
all
your life?
access consciousness books.
Okay. Can I have details about this book club later on? Some message or something?
They're all on the group. We put it on the group when we have it, and we are finishing it. I think on Monday we'll start another book. We
Okay,
are
the
starting
chat-
The Lady. If you want to come join us, please join us.
Yeah, since I have 2 kids, I'll see whether whatever time suits, I will join that.
It's at 8 o'clock in the morning, from 8 to 9.
Okay. Okay. You send me the charges and all that. Whatever sets for me, I'll just join.
Okay, I'll do that.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye bye. Anybody else has any questions before we wrap up? 10 minutes. We've got 10 more minutes, guys. Anything you want to know about Access, about bars?
One ma'am told that her anxiety issues went off after bars. So how did it? How did she get rid of that?
Sorry?
Yeah, using my tools. Using my tools.
Using tools.
Yes. Yes, I
Which
said you that
particular-
book club we keep on clearing and tools को जैसे हर book में एक reminder आता है use this for this for this. That's a different. I mean, say कि ये problem आ गया and what does it belongs to? Reminder was coming. So now I've started using those tools. And of course, self bars also I'm doing. But Kaval, I wanted to ask you here. मेरे self bars इतने run नहीं होते हैं. So still they must be running?
What point of view do you have?
I don't have any point of view, but when I am touching them, I get कि नहीं चल रहा है. But that's all. No point of view.
So lower your barriers, pock and pod all the points of views you have, and just
Okay.
run them. Of course, they run 100,000 times more when somebody else runs it for you.
Yeah. But
It's not. It's okay. It's okay. Your cooking fills up your stomach and does all the job. But we're going to a 7-star hotel and having food is different.
Yeah.
You can't have that 7-star at home.
That I have to come to Chandigarh for 7-star bars.
Yes.
Ma'am, when is the Live Beyond Distractions book you will be reading? Living Beyond Distractions.
We have done it. We've done it earlier. If more than 5 people want to have the book, we will do it again.
I'll come. Yeah.
Yeah, bring some more who will want to have it. Then we can have it. So add bars to your life if you want to create a different reality on planet Earth. In your life first and then on planet Earth. We keep saying we want change, we want to change, we want to look, we want to leave the world a better place for our children. We keep going, we keep doing that. But we are not willing to learn the technique. And it's so simple and so easy. In one day, in 8 hours, you become a certified practitioner and you start earning. Tell me any other thing that you can start earning that fast. And something that is a fast track and changes your life the way bars changes. You open up to greater awareness. Whoever you get run bars for opens up their awareness as well. And it's a gifting and receiving at the same time. When you are running somebody's bars, you are receiving as well.
Can I add something to
Yes,
what
please.
other section? As of now, I didn't go for my bars, but since I'm attending the book club class, so what I'm doing.
So since you are
these days-
attending the 1 minute, since you are attending the book club, you cannot attend the bars.
No. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying further that since we are talking about possibilities, what else can be better than this, all questions. So this asking question to myself and to another person also who is there in front of me has kind of giving me so much of ease and comfort कि वो बहस ही नहीं होती, वो एक पॉसिबिलिटी में चले जाती है एनर्जी, उसका कोई सोल्यूशन ढूंढने में. एटलीस्ट वो जो खींचातानी होती है, either one is wrong, one is right, or one is repeating and making sentence inside is possibility से, और who does this belong to say कि वो सारी सिचुएशन ना बड़ी कूल एंड काम सी रहती है उसमें, और उसका बेटर ही निकलता है रिजल्ट. नॉट कि वो जैसा आप चाहते हो, पर जो भी होता है वो बड़ा अच्छा, बेटर और परफेक्ट होता है उस सिचुएशन के लिए. सो हाउ इट इज वर्किंग फॉर मी दीज डेज कि मैं हर चीज में एक्चुअल में क्वेश्चन पूछना शुरू हो गया, अच्छा मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ या दूसरा क्या कर सकता है. तो दिस अवेयरनेस इस लेवल तक पे नहीं थी मुझे. पहले बड़ा लिमिटेड या काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन पूछने का पता ही नहीं था, इस पे इतने क्वेश्चंस भी पूछे जा सकते हैं. So it is helping me in that way.
That's awesome. You're satisfied with this, or you would want greater?
No, obviously I would like to have greater, but
So then
I'm
I
just
would
sharing
suggest dive into more,
yeah,
because
I'm
bars is something that gives you that space to be you more, because it clears up your head. It, for past lifetime after lifetime shit that we are carrying, we can delete it. Then there is nothing, the traffic jam is not going. Even now when you're choosing it, there is first, it's like a fight. And then you are cool. Okay, पहले ये ऐसे कर, फिर वो आप उसको हटाते हो तो फिर करते हो. It's not that it will finish, but you will be more space to choose greater. Like Yamini said, कि बाद मैं पहले टूल यूज कर रही थी, लेकिन बाज करने के बाद एक और लेवल पे चेंज हो गया.
मैम उससे ऑरा भी बहुत चेंज हो जाती है, हम जब सोचते हैं करते हैं, एंड जो बाहर किए हुए लोग हैं ना उनके कांटेक्ट में आते हैं ना तो भी बहुत सारे चेंजेस आ जाते हैं. कल शाम को आपसे बात हुई थी, उसके बाद इतना अपने आप शिफ्टिंग हो गया. पर डिजायर तो होना चाहिए ना अपने अंदर कि मुझे करना है, चाहे कितना भी दिक्कत हो, मुझे चाहिए, अच्छा चाहिए.
I want to have that.
Yes.
That you know.
पता नहीं अट्रैक्ट करते हैं, अच्छे अच्छे लोगों को हम अट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं जब हम बात करते हैं तो.
Because your energy changes, and that you are in tune with the same energy, and those people who have the energy come into your contact. तो जो दो लोग उस एनर्जी के नहीं होते वो अपने आप गायब होना शुरू हो जाते हैं.
Yes.
Thank you. Every molecule has consciousness. Every molecule is aware of another molecule. So you have to cut off that awareness to go into your head, to make your head right, to make what's running in your head right, to make what you have learned right. And when you don't have anything much in your head, you get to perceive the now. You become aware in every now moment as to choose this or not choose. This is light, this is heavy. Your life starts becoming the way you would want it to be. 2 minutes. Any more questions about access or anything else? You're welcome.
you just put the details, Kamal, on the group. Like,
There are.
duration.
I put them even today. I put, but I'll send it to you.
The duration and everything.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
It's only for Saturday.
It's a lot of money. You can't spend it on yourself. I couldn't spend that much money on myself. I didn't think I was that valuable. I know it was great difficulty for me to spend money on myself.
Only for bars. Let's see what comes.
17,000.
Okay.
Too much.
No. I was
Everything that
calculating how many 36 points are there?
32.
32. So 17,000 into 32 is nothing.
Yeah, if you look at like that, if you look at it like that, it's nothing.
Yeah.
and if you do 3 classes, guys, if you do 3 bars classes with 3 different people, you can teach bars to people and earn 17. So that is brilliant. In three classes, and the next second 2 are half the rate. The first class is 17, the next is 8.5, and the next is 8.5. So you spend that much. How is there anything that you spend that much and start earning money in your life? Nothing. Actually, I went for that. I went for making money. In the beginning, I took the class, borrowed the money, I will make money. But then everything just changed. My perception changed, the money changed, my life changed. But you in the beginning go for that only. If somebody hadn't told me ki 3 classes karne ka, I did 3 classes in 10 days. In 15 days, I was a facilitator. I joined Access, did 3 classes, did foundation, did Money is Not a Problem, You Are, facelift, and I became, by the end of the month, I became a facilitator. I'm crazy. Okay, guys, it's time. Love you all. The recording will be on the YouTube. Are you okay with me putting the recording on YouTube?
Yes, please.
If everybody is okay, then we'll put it on the YouTube. Otherwise, we can put it in our Fun Aging group. Anybody has a problem here to be on the YouTube? Nobody asked questions, actually. Nobody showed their faces, actually. So you shouldn't have any problem. So I'll put it on the, it won't be a video, it will be an audio. So I will put the, on the YouTube. You can find it there. You can forward it to your friends. You can let them listen to it there.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, love you all.
Oh,
Thank you so much,
Okay.
ma'am.
Kaval, आज Happy Guru Purnima hai. Happy Guru Purnima. Love
Thank you. Thank you, guys, and good Purnima. Happy good Purnima to everybody. Love you all.
I wanted to wish you. I thought I'll come and wish you here.
Yes, please.
Bye, dear.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.